Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where you cannot open, you cannot launch the League of Legends client on your Windows, simply watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to disable any antivirus or also the antivirus of our Windows. So how can we do that? Click on this show hidden icons right here. So if you are using like Malwarebytes and the McAfee antivirus, which are third-party antivirus programs or softwares, what you'll have to do is you need to make a right click on that and then select quit or exit. That will temporarily disable the third-party antivirus. And then click also on this Windows security. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. Disable Real-Time Protection. Click on Firewall. Click on Private Network. Then disable the Microsoft Defender Firewall. Now, why do we need to disable the antivirus? Because this might be blocking the application from launching or from opening. So once this is done, and then you can open the application, the League of Legends client application. And if the problem has been fixed, go back this Windows security window and then enable this because these are important for your Windows. Next method is we need to run the app as an administrator. So look for the League of Legends client desktop on your Windows, right click and then select run as administrator, or you can just simply search for it in the Windows search bar. League of Legends, right click and then select run as administrator, and that will let you open the application. Next method is we need to also update our graphics card driver. So right click on the start button, select device manager. Here in the device manager window, look for the display adapters. Right click and then select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Once done, close this. Next method is we need to update our Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. We need to make sure our Windows is up to date, as outdated Windows can cause an error for your Windows. Now this is currently downloading and installing the update, so you just have to wait for that. Now let's just minimize this for now. Then look for the League of Legends client on the desktop. Right click and then select show more options. Click on properties. Then here in the League of Legends properties, click on this compatibility tab. Make sure to disable full screen optimizations and to run this program as an administrator. So if these are unchecked or if you do not check this, make sure to check these boxes and then click on apply and then OK. And then go back to day updates. Once this is done, just make a restart of your Windows. Right click, shut down or sign out and then restart. And then try launching or open the League of Legends client. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.